Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon's hot tip, specifically for resin. I wanted to bring your attention to these. Now, silicone all the way when it comes to working with resin and other acrylic pouring, because it is so forgiving and it is better for the environment. And the example is here where I have a bit of resin on there. You just pull it off, pop that in the bin, and it's as good as new. So you can choose to leave things on there and wipe them off when they've dried like that, or you can just wipe them off when you're using them and they are as good as new. But these are brilliant, and you can find them on Amazon. They are under Silicone Hair Dyeing Brush Spatula colour combs. So basically, if you're looking for hairdressers or hair colouring, you should find them. And the great thing is you can find different widths, and I've used that for acrylic pouring. You can see that there, but my actual tip is free. You get different patterns on them. You can go from different angles and then different thicknesses and slopes. You can also get them so they are like this, so you can stir with them, wipe them off, use them again. Fluid art is beautiful, but it can be bad for the environment if we don't all do our little bit and think about how can we use something multiple times to reduce our footprint on the planet. Hope you enjoy that hot tip. Go into my links on the resin essentials and you can see the ones that I've got. And if you're not in the UK, I'm sure you can find them anywhere else in the world, because we girls and boys like to have our hair dyed from time to time. Anyway, thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. Keep coming back and I'll keep sharing a weekly hot tip. If there's anything you want to know, let me know and I can make sure I add that into my hot tips. Anyway, I'm Sharon, I'm digressing. Thanks for checking in. Have a beautiful week and I'll see you on the next video.